Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're looking at the timing belt diagram and also the auxiliary drive belt diagram for the Audi A6 2-litre TDI models between 2008 and 2011. So we'll start off with the timing belt diagram. Put that to one side and we'll look at all the details. So firstly we'll start off with the replacement intervals. And now we'll look at the repair times. We'll come back to the drive belt. We'll skip that and we'll look at the engine damage. You need to check for engine damage. Special tools you'll need. Special precautions. The removal procedure. The installation procedure now. And finally we're going to look at the drive belt diagram. So there's the diagram for that. Hope this video has helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, comment any questions below, and thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.